Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. And today we're talking about probably one of the most important subject matters that we will ever talk about in our educational series. And today what we're talking about is flood history. What you don't realize is some of these houses right behind me, they were underwater not long ago, but you would never know it if you lived in a buyer beware state. That's because the damage has been repaired. And if you live in a buyer beware state, you don't have to disclose this on a property disclosure. However, not even just in a buyer beware state, but any state, it's always been very challenging getting a copy of a flood loss history on a property, or if there's ever been a flood policy on a property. However, this challenge is going to be going away a little bit. Probably roughly the middle of June 2019, FEMA is going to be releasing about 50 million data points when it comes to flood insurance. So what these data points are going to be are really any flood loss that was reported on a property that they had insured. Also, a list of any flood insurance policies over the last 10 years will be released. So let's just say you're a realtor and you're listing a house. This could be very big for you because what you'll be able to do is provide that valuable information. So when you have buyers coming in and looking right away, they know if this house has been flooded or not. Or maybe you are a realtor and you're showing this house to someone and you want that information so your buyer can make an educational decision and the best decision for them. This is going to allow them to make a more accurate decision because they have the right information in their hands. So this is going to be huge. You can click the link below. That'll take you straight to FEMA's website that will show you some different things. We'll also have this information on our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. It's always important to understand this when you're looking at all these different things, or maybe you're a property owner, or you're looking at buying a house yourself and you just want this information. This is going to make it a little bit easier for you to get it. So if you've got questions about flood loss history here, can you get flood insurance on a property that has had a flood loss? Please reach out to us, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can go to our YouTube and our Facebook channels, the Flood Insurance Guru, where we do our daily flood education videos. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, so we can help you understand your flood risks, your flood insurance, and maybe mitigating properties like this that have flooded before. Thank you. So you want to be very careful when you accept this disaster assistance because it said it could have huge impacts on your ability to sell your property because now you're going to be required to keep forced placed coverage from FEMA on that property, not just while you own it, but while anybody owns it and it's in a special flood hazard area. So that conducts our podcast series today on disaster assistance. What is disaster assistance? Using disaster assistance and getting disaster assistance. Remember, if you ever have questions, you can always reach us through our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can check out our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do our daily flood education videos. Thank you.